Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mr. P. So I'm just going to be showing you something like very fast on what they call it, on jump 75. So guys, you know, jump index is actually what deriv just released, what the broker just released. And the index, I don't know, they actually make this chart so easy to calculate, so easy. I'm telling you, within the last 3 days I've made over 5,000 from this index, over 5,000 USD from this index alone, just like 3-4 days, so you can see crazy profit from just this one index. I don't know, I think maybe it's because they just released it, that's why they made it so easy, because you can just easily predict the direction of the jump. And when you catch just one jump, guys, even on the lowest lot size, the profits are usually crazy. So guys, you know, on this jump index, what I love doing here is just scalp. I just love to scalp on this jump index, this jump 75. Now, guys, look at something. You can see it just jumped again. Can you see? It just jumped there. Can you see it? It just jumped. So, guys, see, look at it. Can you see the jump that just happened? Can you see the jump? It jumped from this spot to this spot. Imagine I had taken this trade from here. I would have just caught all these peeps. It jumped right before your eyes just now, right? You can see it. It just jumped. Now, guys, see, this is what I'm telling you, guys. This jump index is so nice. It's so nice. You know, people have been telling me to create a video on jump index. And so I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to create a video on jump index. Now, so you can see it just jumped up straight to that spot. But what I love about jump index is scalping. I really love scalping from jump index, guys. I just really love scalping from jump index. So you can see what happened here, guys. If you go on the 4 hours time frame, you can see it hits the spot, right? It went up, came back, hits this spot. Good. Now we can just join these two, guys, and it will tell us the next spot that it will hit. Now I wanted to take this trade immediately as I started the video, but it seemed like I couldn't catch it because I had to start an intro, because it was at this spot. It just hits this spot then, and so I just wanted to say something, then take the trade. But as it happens, it just spiked. Okay, so I guess I missed the trade. I just wanted to double this. I just wanted to quickly double this account from that particular stuff, but it's fine, guys, it's fine. So you can just see, as it is now, I know it's going to drop back down first, right? To actually test now, because even though I missed while it was going up, I can actually still take the trade while it's coming down. So I can just, I can't actually take on 5. It won't work. Okay, so I'm just going to take on 5 on this place, 0.05. Okay, so I'm just going to, see guys, this particular stuff is just about scalping, okay? So I'm just going to take another one again, and let's see, let me just take another one. I have that free margin. Okay, let me take another one, because definitely it's going to go down, right? To actually what? To actually retest that particular stuff from where it jumped, right? From where it jumped. So let's see. Now it's actually going to drop down, right? So as it's dropping down now, I can just be what? I can just be adding more pips, and just like that, because this particular capital is so low, right? It's so low. Now there's someone's account. I just like, okay, let me just create a video using this person's account, because I just saw the trade. I wanted to catch the jump, but during the process of my intro, I think I just missed it. Okay, I just missed it during the process of my intro. But there's nothing terrible. It's just going to go down, drop back down now to just what I call it, to just retest. But this is what happened now. Look at it now. Good. So this is what I'm talking about. It's just going to drop down to at least this spot, right? To at least this spot. Let me just draw that well. To at least that spot. Now after dropping down to that spot, before it thinks of what, of going back up again, or what, or just dropping back down, right? Or just dropping back down. But the entire movement of this guy is down. The up I'm talking about is probably to this spot, right? So after getting to that spot, then it will drop, it will just come back to this spot again. It will just come back. Of course, that will take several hours to complete, but then it will actually drop back to that spot finally. So you can see what I'm showing you guys. So you can see it's actually going down already, just like I told you. Let me quickly go to the 1 hour time frame, so you can see it's actually dropping back down, just like I told you. So guys, this is how you just actually work on. You see, guys, this stuff is so easy to do. It's actually so easy. You just need to like just take the trades and just what I call it, just take the trades and just close them just like that and just be scalping. I don't know why they made this stuff so easy, guys. I don't know why they made it so easy, guys. So it's a buy for me, guys. Peace.